Hey there, my name is Lauren and I'm a special education teacher, and I'm also the founder of Diverse Learning Hub, a website built specifically for kids with autism and mild to moderate learning disabilities. I came up with the idea for Diverse Learning Hub when I was a first-year teacher. I had 13 students, 6th to 8th grade, all with autism. I wasn't given any sort of curriculum for these kids, and I was told to create it all on my own. I would create resources, or go to Teachers Pay Teachers and I would find resources, but I would spend hours at the printer printing and laminating and velcroing these resources. But I wanted something online. We had 4 laptops in my classroom, and I wanted students to be independent on the laptops, working on something that would benefit them. But I couldn't find anything online that was targeted or tailored for my students' needs. So I decided to create a program to help students develop life skills, develop social skills, develop functional math skills. That's Diverse Learning Hub. Diverse Learning Hub features animated social stories, instructional videos, and online quizzes that are visual and tailored for students specifically with autism and mild to moderate learning disabilities. With the help of this website, I've saved so much time in the classroom, and I've seen my students grow so much. And I know that my friends who are teachers and the people that use it say the same thing. So, check it out, diverselearninghub.com, and check out our free trial. It's 1 week, totally free. Let me know what you think, and I'm excited to help you help your students grow.